you told Sayem for venue name?
Oh,
it was just by letter.
1 hour.
Huh?
1 hour before the event. 1 hour. Just say Yashi Bibia Adriani, I did manipa 8,000 for free and so 20,000 bottles. Red Bull, Lamborghini, then all of it. It's about 40,000 drinks. I've paid for people, musicians, production, everything.
How many minutes? 1 hour. 60
hour.
minutes to
when
time.
They were saying the buses were coming and people were dropping and they were stopping them from entry.
Let's see, one more bar on the catch.
Yes, they came there the night before and they were trying to say, one more now my coin and a chomo ye receipt me bibia. What you say?
Patron one bar.
Almost say national security. No pushing fear if you are nipa miensa. Intermediate frame me catch me. I wasn't there myself, but the workers. And so they saw it as a threat. And me too, I thought, say, oh no, this is maybe a joke because they show me a receipt. That video, almost some back, a real say, oh, they think that they have a show there. And I said, oh, you have a show. Where is your receipt that says that? No, it's a government show now. I'm the helicopter basis here. I said, helicopters basis here. No more BB some for military. So this is what they said. Inti Usha by 3 p.m. no 3:30 no the helicopter ninam adeno one helicopter to TFRS and idea is serious. And video also na video police and soldier army na omodin tuoba. Hey, na workers in the so musro kakra. In the beginning, they no more na so say na ye we receipt ye obi bia but they drew sa no na afede enkofo aba mu book kakra emi so me try my best me frefreye ema mpanyimfo bi ema ye kire me say they will get back to me to resolve it but manti obi anka na omo sha say omo pam nkofo no nti me de me hu say ade no enya ade a metimi a control bi na agye me nsem but ne na me hwɛ ne say nkofo ye de omo ba and nkofo nso a omo ba because nkofo ye de omo ba na wo hwɛ the way I cancel no ma me dwene ho say ye kro no e bi asesa enti se na ete biem na that's where my worries were and many nso wuye because akwai to say penifo mo Africa matom safrom omo akase na wo akra ye judi na judi ade na wontimi enka nkire wo mindful say ne omo ye no nya me so mentimi me try and try inti ehona na enguase no afia ba
me share wo list no the first question I mean papa bia why security adwuma chenam say hey who did the security analysis before these people even agreed to come some baba be kasa was adwuma I say Dr. Rikana be catch wa obagana so be launch book lawyer bia wonya ne be call lawyer Safa Bebrese ono ne ka book ni na aboa no last minute say be launch book no ya ma kwanti ya ma book launch number so Ghana haya last year na
hey and e bia wona waka na nti onu ti ara onu
ankasa nim eti book launch no eye troka
pasa oye literally have Ghanaian
that's right amaso again we share the way some European countries authority no African Union your papa ba kubi wa na oye Ghana ni ya mempesa mebodi din ana okwa akopre de omo de year no we he balema na nkasa ne baba ko Ghana questions said the tata no wo Kotoka International Airport and ibufu yakra ka oya asako when you na chi no mpanifo na wo frɛ wo mom ka say they will get back to you no then wo catch you later member obi adin
obi am frɛ me
obi am frɛ obi aje obi ansem
na obi anso enka nkyɛ me say ebia kafra atiase because hu akɔhyem hu akɔdim wadim akɔgyinam nti ebia kafra kose na ubetimi ayebie menya san hyenkran no free
obia ho
na enye se bia nipa okroma mpemase minim se nipa pemase mpa
mepawase
o mampanyi yamadamfo o pemase debi ono ohumi ofre me Cheddar what you say the yire obi aye me namfofo minim difference no MPP the NDC me namfofo na minim se mahama yamadamfo na mehuna mechia no me ne besere what you say obi a panyimu bia no me de buo ma no what you say nti eduru se ye kan mass hu nsem no na ama nipa ayese o matwe om ho kakra
efi ho
na me so na me mpese me de politics be kwa ha mabusuafo aye quite say minti na eni ba be da om ho nti me so na matwe me ho kakra na me hwe so akoso aye ne sese be ya
pacho timer we nyina ko wi se wontimi nye convention no malema kadai
Malema no na o ne yire e wo baby enunti na eso the private plane ba but e kru no ba ko a esese wo gina o refile plane no na onya landing permit nti o ka kire say obeye feed live feed aba nti ye de na ya organize it with the show say edru ono so obekasa he will be live and speaking to the crowd nti e cancel ade no na inyina ya chinase it's hata mne Peter Obi na PLO na doctor ti adwene ho ana yesi o enyehwe yemma omo press conference no mu se ya buy say ya baba yesi
now omo reaction one about the country say ye be ya de et say obi eni ho a obeteti obi ambetu obi a PLO Lumumba o Phyllis saying okaden Dr. Rekana Phyllis saying okaden and then Peter Obi.
Honestly, I think that Ghana was the last place they expected that we would do that.
They were all disappointed.
Yes, they were. Apart from disappointment, I think they were shocked.
They were shocked?
Yeah, they were shocked because, Ghana is considered to be the most peaceful country on the continent. With the best stability, both in economic and politics. So even if they had political issues, they know that they would deal with it in a democratic way, not in a very forceful way. What you're saying, they were shocked.
Were your people under duress to remove the stage things and I'm fixing in a
say
pama domna no musu muntutu muniema
say obi ba na say nkrofo ba no mkurekretu na national security heads ne police helicopter masa I do say ahunya de a obeka say ukogina ho say nti nkrakra na omugina bonten a omubuafu omukasa no na eyomo ya because e be free Koforudia ne bai e be free Togo ne bai e be free Liberia ne bai e be free Cape Coast e be nso free Accra nipa bebre free baby na wo hwa eman no Africa kra no se wo behwe na wo hu dom bebre se ya aya na obi na etonum they say whiskey da na Bena boy no mo concert nti ye first time o ma hu se 3-4 leaders be kasa ena nwom so ka ho ena ntare so ka ho ena ye ko so what in ametron nti so mo faso na mo yet say a political ambition bi na me de o mo buy to come and unveil no crime be no enya crime
obey bi
yebeye na ABI yebeye o Nigeria and yebeye o Kenya. We are already in discussion because I want people to know that the convention has become a movement. It was an alerted awareness that we decided to create amongst the African provenance. And so Ghana is where I'm from. And I managed to convince them to start from here. Unfortunately, it didn't. But the nation, the continent, the countries in the continent are looking for the next location.
Patrice Lumumba, Dr. Rekana, and then Peter Obi. Omoko John Mahama ho. Ukobi.
No, we didn't go to John Mahama. We had lunch together.
With him?
Yes, because
at his residence.
No.
Where?
In the Chinese restaurant in airport, the old one that has been in Ghana for 20 years. I forgot the name.
Okay.
Please help me. It was they
they
had a branch before in
I don't know.
On Woolworth. Okay, so in a Chinese restaurant, and so I was even the last person that was there.
He invited all of you?
No, Muhammad didn't invite me. So PLO and Dr. Arikana was already there, eating.
So how did he get there? He knew of this meeting, this lunch?
PLO.
No, John.
John Mahama was there when I got there. They were already there. So I think PLO already know John Mahama.
No, I know, but maybe say womu koshiano. John a restaurant I could no who no womu kwatena.
Oh no, I think
it was a planned lunch.
I think they had a planned lunch. So for me, I was.
Oh, you didn't know?
No. I was just called that this is where they were, and I said, okay, I'm coming.
By PLO, Arikana.
There was Timmy, Frank, and I think some other people.
One of them called you.
No, it was the woman, Dr. Arikana, because
she's the one who called.
Yeah, because I was supposed to go to view a land with her that she owns, that she wants to develop in Ghana, because the husband is Ghanaian.
Ghanaian, sure.
So around 2:30, that's when she called me that this is where we are. So maybe come. Then from here we go.
Okay.
And Timmy call, I knew some Mahama was there, but when I got there, there was a seat arranged for me to sit down beside Mahama. And then we just had, our general conversation. First, we were talking about, African governance and how the future should be. And then we talked about the country, how it should be governed. We all made jokes of how people, politics and how people vote and this and that. So this was just the conversation. I don't even remember us discussing the convention there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it was just a lunch talk.
Bibia about the
lunch talk.
Yeah, council.
No,
We didn't have